Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the TXMSPOT T1 massage gun. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. Also, there's going to be a 20% off promo code for you there too. The promo code is DigitalDavid20, no spaces, all caps. Enter that at checkout and you'll be able to save 20%. DigitalDavid20 at checkout to save 20%. You can see how the product comes packaged to you right here. Very nice and simple retail box. Now we can go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have your user guide and manual right here, complete in English and in color, with helpful pictures, charts, and diagrams walking us through all the product controls. You can also see we have 4 different color options right here: black, white, gray, and red. Then you can see we have more usage instructions right here. We have our power on and off switch and charging settings. Then you can see we have a helpful diagram right here walking us through the different head attachments that we have. This does come with the 6 head attachments you see right here. So we have our ball head, our shovel head, our flat head, our Y-shaped head, our finger head, and our conical head, sometimes called the bullet head. But they're going to walk you through which options you should use those heads for, which muscle groups you should target, and then they also show you how long you should target each muscle group at the bottom right there. Then on the next page you can see we have more programming instructions how to use the massage gun. Then on this page you can see we have our speed and level table. So this is equipped with 4 different level options ranging from 1 to 3, 1 to 6, 1 to 18, and 1 to 24. If you're using the 24 level setting, your lowest RPMs is going to be 800 and your max RPMs is going to be 3200. Then you can see we have our power supply and charging adapter. We have the 6 different heads mentioned earlier right here with a nice carrying bag for them. Then you can see we have the massage gun itself right here. You can see it from this side. You can see it from the back side with our built-in touchscreen. Here it is from the other side and from the top. Here it is from the bottom, so you can see we have our power port and our on and off switch. Here it is from the front. It has a really nice triangular design right here, going to be very comfortable and easy to use, getting all those hard to reach spots and areas on your body. This also is equipped with a 2500 milliamp hour battery. That's going to last you anywhere from between 5 and 10 hours depending on the individual settings that you like to use to massage yourself. And you can see the last thing it's equipped with is a very nice travel case with a handle right there. So now let's go ahead, let's power it on and try it out. So first up, in order to use your massage gun, you want to be familiar with the included massage head adapter. So first up, you can see right here, this adapter looks like a Y, is typically used for your spine and your neck. Next up, you can see our shovel spade head adapter right here. This is used for your back. Then you can see we have our ball head adapter right here. This is used for full body massage. Then you can see we have our flat head adapter right here. This is also used for full body massage. Then you can see we have our finger adapter right here. This is used to target and pinpoint a specific area on your body. And last but not least, we have the bullet adapter right here, the conical adapter. This is also used to target and pinpoint a specific area on your body. So go ahead, get familiar with all of them, try them all out, find the best one that suits your needs at any specific time for a massage. Then you're ready to go to the next step, which is to install it into your massage gun. So you can see we're just going to gently take the adapter that we want, push it right into place, and there you go. Now everything has successfully been installed. Now let's go ahead, let's look at the massage gun settings. So to use your massage gun, the first thing you have to do is flip it to the on position like you see right here. Now you'll see the back side of the massage gun is lit up with our touch screen. You can see all the lights that we have on now. At the top we have our battery level indicator. Then you can see we have 2 sets of double zeros lit up. Then we have a plus button, very faintly lit. It's a lot easier to see in person than on camera. We have an A button in the center lit up and a minus button lit up as well on the right-hand side. So the first set of double zeros, this is our intensity, our level setting, our speed setting, whatever you want to call it right there. This ranges from 00, so not in use, all the way up to 24 depending on the setting that you're in. And then on the right-hand side, we have another set of double zeros. This is your timer. So this has either 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes as your options. how to get to the timer controls, just hold down the minus button for a couple of seconds, and then you'll see the timer is flashing. Now we can choose, do we want a 30-minute timer, a 10-minute timer, 20-minute timer, and so on. We can choose the setting and time that we want depending on what area we're targeting and for how long we want to target it. Then you're all set and ready to go just by pushing the plus button again. Now you can see we have it at our 1 level of intensity for 20 minutes. And then we can continue to adjust that intensity right there depending on the settings that we're in just by pushing the plus or minus button, and we can change everything right there. So it's very simple and straightforward to use. We also have that A button in the center, so we can hold that down, and now you can see we're currently at 24, so the max amount of intervals, but then we can go down to 3 if we want, up to 6, 18, and 24, so you can choose the option that you want right there depending on your desires and how much you want to finesse the massage to your muscle groups, or how quickly you just want to have a couple of easy settings to use. You have the controls. You can set what you desire right there. So that's a brief overview of how to actually use the massage gun with the settings that we get with the touchscreen on the back. Now let's go ahead. Let's see it in action. So my go-to attachment is the ball head. It's very versatile. Again, we have 6 attachments you can use. So just find the correct ones for the area you're targeting or what you're trying to apply pressure to. You can find the right one for your needs. But the ball head is just so versatile. You can just use it anywhere in your body, any muscle groups, and it gives you great results. So let's go ahead, let's fire it up. Here we go. This is 1. This is setting 1. Again, we have up to 24, depending on the settings and modes that you're using with this gun. So we're gonna be doing setting 1. We'll look at setting 12 and setting 24 so you guys can see it with its slowest, lowest setting, least intensity, whatever you wanna call it. Its mid-range intensity, and then we can look at the max intensity of 3,200 RPM. So this is 1 in action right there with the ball head. We can put it on our hand, then we can work it up our arm. So you can see what that's like right here. Not bad, very slow intensity at 800 RPMs. So for most things, you're gonna probably be using it at a higher intensity setting if you're in the 24 setting mode. So there we go, that's 1. Now let's go ahead, let's up the intensity to 12. So now we're at 12 right there. Same thing, you can see it on the hand, making our way up the arm. And it looks like in the video it's in slow-mo, but it's moving back and forth really, really fast. So fast it looks slow on the video, which I think looks really cool as you see my arm move from the pulsing of the massager. Just work it all around. And take note, when you're using this massage gun, it has that nice triangular handle to give you better ergonomics with your grip and your position and posturing while you're using this, especially for prolonged intervals. So here's a great example. So say I want to get a hard to reach area on my back. There's nothing wrong doing it with the handle like you see right here, like on my shoulders, that sort of thing. But watch how much easier it is for me to hold if I grip it from the other side and it's right there. So less stress on my hand, less fatigue. Very nice to have that triangular design as opposed to other competitors and models on the market today that just have your single handle. The dual triangular handle is really nice and a great feature. It just helps with some of those hard to reach areas on your body. This is what 12 looks like. Let's go ahead, let's up it to 24. So here we go. We're at 24 right now. You can see that right there. So it's really moving fast now. Let's get my hand and let's do the same thing. Feels great. 24 is really nice. Kind of makes you feel like goo, but in a good way. Really can feel it there on my arm. Bring it up. So you can see it moving all along. Doing a great job with the ball head adapter. Everything is working great. Really quick, I wanted you guys to see the other attachments in action right here. So we have the gun fired up. There you go, check that out. Here's our next option. Here's our next option. Next attachment. And our last attachment right here. So let me share with you guys my final thoughts after using the TXMSPOT T1 massage gun. Overall, really a solid choice if you're in the market for a massage gun because of my favorite feature, the ergonomic triangular handle right here. That's a game changer. It's so much better than the single handled massage guns on the market today. I'm telling you, if you're going to be using this a lot in those hard to reach areas, you definitely want to be able to have that additional handle to just help you bring more comfort to you while you're using this. It's really, really a nice feature. I can't stress that enough. That is by far my favorite feature of this massage gun. Obviously, as you can see in this video, it's a complete kit, comes with everything that you need, optional additional attachments so you can target the correct areas and muscle groups on your body. The touchscreen is nice too, very happy with that. It does feature a 2500 milliamp hour battery capacity, ranging anywhere between 5 and 10 hours of battery life depending on how hard you're using this thing. That's just standard. That's nothing special. That's very typical of all the massage guns on the market today. So maybe in the future, maybe they could bump that up to give you a higher capacity, maybe 10 to 15 hours plus of use. So you just don't have to charge it as much. But again, that's not that big of a deal to me either. The feature I really want to see change in the future has to do with more the functionality of that touchscreen. It would be nice to have maybe a couple more options on here. So it's not truly a smart like auto mode for you. I would like to see that in the future though. Some sort of smart personalized recommendations based off of your usage history. So if it could be smart enough to detect, oh yeah, David loves to use intensity 5 for 25 minutes, and it kind of just builds and caters towards your actual usage needs. If it could find a way to do that, that would be really cool in the future to really use like advanced AI to target your specific needs. I would love to see something like that coming out of this in the future. My only other thing I'd want to see maybe change or tweak is just maybe a slightly better presentation. When I first took this out of the box, one of the screw things was loose right here, the screw covers, and then I actually had to push down the adhesive for the TXMSPOT logos on both sides. So honestly, it just didn't have that premium feel right out of the box because of a couple of those things from the assembly process. But in regards to functionality and use, everything works great. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.